Well, hey there, friends and neighbors. Welcome to an episode of Valentino's Value Picks. And let's be honest, keeping a clean home isn't just a once-a-year thing, okay? Germs, dirt, everyday messes, they don't wait for spring. They show up all year long. But with the right tools, deep cleaning doesn't have to feel like a chore. It can feel like taking back your space. I'm sharing my top 3 deep cleaning essentials, ones that give the most bang for your buck. Let's get into it. All right, neighbors. First up, the Bissell TurboClean Carpet Cleaner. If your carpets have been through a long winter of muddy boots, pets, or grandkids running around, this little powerhouse is going to feel like a miracle. It's lightweight, easy to move around, and gives you that deep Bissell-powered clean without renting one of those giant machines from the store. One of our customers told me, "Hey, I thought my carpet was supposed to be dark. Turns out it was just dirty." Happens to the best of us, my friend. Now here's what it solves. Lingering odors from pets, spills, everyday life, embedded dirt that vacuums can't reach, stains that keep reappearing, high traffic wear that makes carpets look older than they really are, and seasonal grime. Salt in the winter, mud in the spring, dust in the summer, leaves in the fall. And here's why people love it. It's got deep cleaning power for high traffic carpets and rugs. It's easy to maneuver, no wrestling with a heavy machine. It's great for pet messes and everyday spills. Quick drying time, perfect for whole rooms or just quick touch-ups. And you can grab it today for just $129.99, which is 17% off. This is a solid deal for a tool that'll keep your home feeling fresh all year long. Next up is a vacuum that solves a whole bunch of everyday headaches. The Eureka Cordless vacuum with auto-emptying dust station. If you're tired of cords, tired of hair getting wrapped around the brush roll, or tired of stopping mid-clean to empty a tiny dust cup, this one is going to feel like a breath of fresh air. This vacuum is built for homes with pets, kids, stairs, rugs, hardwood, and all the little messes that show up when life happens. It's lightweight, powerful, and the anti-tangle brush roll means you're not spending your Saturday night cutting hair out of the roller with scissors. We've all been there. But the real star of the show? The auto-emptying dust station. You dock the vacuum and it empties itself. No dust clouds, no mess, no bending over the trash can, hoping it all falls out. It's cleaner, it's easier, and it's one less thing to think about. Now here's what it solves. No more tangled hair, perfect for pet owners. No cords, clean anywhere, anytime. No constant emptying, the dust station handles that. No heavy lifting, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver. No switching tools, great on carpet, rugs, and hard floors. And here's why our friends and neighbors love it. It's got up to 60 minutes of runtime for whole home cleaning. Strong suction that actually pulls dirt out of the carpets. A slim design that fits under furniture. A cleaner, more hygienic emptying system. It feels like a premium vacuum without the premium price. And you can grab it right now at Heartland America for just $149.99. It's a fantastic value for a vacuum that basically takes care of itself. And last but not least, the Black+Decker 14-piece steam cleaning kit. This is the one I recommend to folks who want to clean their home without harsh chemicals. And really, who likes using chemicals anyway? Steam cleaning is powerful, safe, and incredibly satisfying. And with 14 attachments, you can tackle just about anything. Floors, grout, countertops, appliances, bathrooms, carpets, windows, you name it. This is also a great way to get rid of all of the germs in your house. Now here's what it solves. Germs and bacteria hiding on high-touch surfaces, soap scum and bathroom buildup, grease on stovetops and appliances, grout discoloration that's impossible to scrub by hand, chemical sensitivity, perfect for homes with kids or pets. Why is it a must-have? I'll tell you. It's an all-in-one system for the entire home. It's got 14 attachments for every nook and cranny. It's chemical-free cleaning, so it's great for kitchens, bathrooms, and tough grime, and it's lightweight and easy to store. And the value? Incredible. It's just $49.99, which is 75% off. That's another neighbor-approved steal, which is all we bring to you. So there you have it, my top 3 deep cleaning essentials for 2026. And they can be yours for an unbeatable price at www.heartlandamerica.com or give us a call. Whether you're freshening up the carpets or giving your home a deep chemical-free clean, these tools make the job easier and the results better all year long. You'll find the links down below if you want to check them out. And stick around, this is just the beginning of Valentino's Value Picks. I've got plenty more neighbor-approved deals and must-haves coming your way. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest Main Street values and honest deals available at Heartland, America. Thanks for spending a little time with me today. And here's to a cleaner, healthier home every day of the year.